In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block IP in Cloudflare. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Cloudflare dashboard to block a specific IP address and stop unwanted traffic from reaching your application. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Cloudflare and that the website you want to protect is already added to your account. Also, a quick reminder, blocking an IP is a strong action. Double-check the address you intend to block so you don't accidentally prevent legitimate users or yourself from accessing the site. Start by heading to the Cloudflare dashboard in your browser and open the website property you want to manage. If you manage multiple sites, confirm you've selected the right one by checking the domain name at the top of the dashboard. Everything we do next will apply to this specific site. In the left-hand navigation, click on Application Security. This section centralizes your security tools and policies, so it's the fastest way to set up targeted protections without changing your origin server. If you don't see this option, make sure you have the right permissions on the account. Next, open WACE. WF stands for Web Application Firewall. It sits in front of your application to filter and block unwanted traffic before it ever reaches your server. This is exactly where we'll create a rule to block a particular IP address. If prompted, click Purchase Add-on. Depending on your plan, some WAF features require enabling an add-on. Follow the on-screen steps to activate it. Once it's enabled, give Cloudflare a moment to provision those features. When you return to the WAF page, you'll see the controls we need for the rule. Now create your rule. Click the option to create a new custom rule and give it a clear name so you recognize it later. In the rule expression, add the IP address you want to block. Typically, you'll use a condition like IP source address equals and then enter the exact IP. If you're working with IPv6, be sure to paste the full address. For blocking a broader range, you could use CIDR notation, but only if you're certain that range is malicious. For the action, select Block. This tells Cloudflare to immediately stop any requests from that IP at the edge. Save and deploy the rule. After saving, the change usually takes effect within seconds globally. Keep an eye on your security or WAF analytics to confirm the block is working as intended. If you ever need to reverse it, return to the same rule and disable or delete it. That's it. Your IP block is now live and protecting your application.